Praditi, and today we're going to be making a special breakfast recipe that's super healthy and easy to make. So the first thing you'll need are chia seeds. Put your chia seeds in water and let it set for about 10 minutes, and it should become like this. So it should be almost like a jelly. Then we're going to cut our fruits. I'm using mango, avocado, banana, and blueberry, but you can add whatever you like to your preference. Now I'll cut my mango. So I've peeled it, then cut it in one direction and the other. And then, so now slice my avocados in half, take out the seed, and then cut the other direction. And you'll need a spoon to scoop it up. So now I have these cut, and I'm going to cut my coconut into small chunks, like this. My blueberries have soaked in salt water for a long time, so I'm going to take them and dry them in a separate bowl. So the dry ingredients I'm using is muesli, dried cranberry, and walnuts. These are all optional. The first thing you want to add in your bowl is the chia seeds so that they don't make the dry ingredients soggy. Add about 3 tablespoons. Then you're going to need your banana, mango, avocado, and blueberries. On the top, add the dry ingredients. So we have muesli, some cranberries, and walnuts. You can crush these as you add them. The last thing is the coconut. And your healthy, delicious breakfast is ready to go. So you can even add yogurt. I'm going to add cinnamon sugar because I like it with that. And there's so many more things that you can add to your liking.
Try this. It has absolutely no sugar.